Let me give an example how we are working with the entire ecosystem. With data centers and GCC, DSW Enterprise AI operating system will help them to make AI native infrastructure. You deploy this operating system and it becomes AI native. You can build multiple use cases, multiple workloads for your customers. When we work with enterprise customers, they are able to build their use cases on top of the operating system. And not only build, they have a choice whether they build it, they get it built by their services partner, they ask us to build, or they procure an external COTS application and integrate. So very prominent thing what we are building into the kernel is AI Fabric, which means that you can connect external applications and tools which you think are the right fit for your organization, and they become part of your layer. So precisely what we are trying to emphasize over here is that enterprises need a layer which is independent of any product-led AI capability. They need AI layer. They need an operating system. Like with Linux, you deploy Linux, you can have various applications, different databases, various workloads orchestrating on top of that. Same way, when you deploy DSW Enterprise AI operating system, you can build various use cases, you can integrate various tools, and you can build various agents on top of that and orchestrate. But here I would like to emphasize that we are not replacing Linux, Unix, and Windows because they have solved a challenge of governing and operating the compute. What we are solving on top of that is to govern and operate AI. What we are solving through our DSW Enterprise AI operating system is on top of that to help enterprises to operate and govern AI at scale in production.